The KONIX, the Finger Dance or Eastar EP-10, perhaps the Fverey or the NikoMaku SWAN X? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 foldable digital piano keyboards available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best foldable digital piano keyboards. The 5th product on this list is the Eastar EP-10. This device is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a portable and convenient digital piano. Weighing in at only 8 pounds, it's incredibly easy to move and transport. Its compact size of 24.8 inches when folded makes it perfect for air travel and storage at home. One of the standout features of the EP-10 is its 88-key full-sized, semi-weighted keyboard. This provides a realistic piano-like touch and key depth, and the intelligent strength sensing technology allows for different volumes based on the strength of the player's touch, providing an excellent feature to reflect the player's emotions in the music. In addition to its excellent keyboard, the EP-10 also has a range of multifunctional features. It includes a clear LCD display, 128 tones and rhythms, and 21 demonstration tracks. There are also dual keyboards, a metronome, and various functions such as transpose, auto chord, intensity switch, sustain, and tremolo. All of these features make it an excellent choice for beginner piano players. One of the most convenient aspects of the EP-10 is its ability to connect to external devices via Bluetooth. Various sockets, including headphones, aux out, and USB MIDI, enable you to connect headphones, pedals, audio devices, and computers to the piano, allowing for the use of teaching apps and other software to enhance your learning experience. Overall, the EP-10 is an excellent choice for pianists of all levels. Its high-quality ABS construction ensures durability, and its range of features makes it a versatile and practical instrument for practice and performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the EP-10 has something to offer. Its pros are: it is effortless to transport anywhere, it is multifunctional to suit different needs, and it has Bluetooth connection capabilities to give you even more options. However, its sound quality isn't the best, even with headphones in, due to the audio compression. The Eastar EP-10 offers a wide range of capabilities that make it suitable for many new musicians looking to practice their art. Up next in 4th place is the NikoMaku SWAN X. The SWAN X is a compact and lightweight 88-key digital piano that is perfect for musicians on the go. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, and it weighs just 8.8 pounds in the folded state. One of the standout features of the SWAN X is its touch-sensitive keys. This allows you to control your playing volume by applying different amounts of pressure to the keys, providing a more expressive and nuanced playing experience. The keys are also full-size and semi-weighted, offering a realistic piano-like feel. The SWAN X also has noise cancellation technology, effectively reducing noise when using earphones. This is an excellent feature for those who want a more immersive and quiet playing experience. In addition to these features, the SWAN X comes with an exclusive sheet music stand, sustain pedal, keyboard sticker, headphones, Type-C cable, charging adapter, keyboard case, and user manual. All these items are included in the package, making it an excellent value for the price. The piano is also suitable for adults, teenagers, and beginners, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Its pros are: it has a foldable design which is useful when you're on the go or just have limited space. It has touch-sensitive keys which will not strain your fingers, and it has noise cancellation technology so that you will not have to deal with background noise. However, the MIDI Bluetooth use is confusing when used with GarageBand on an iPad. The NikoMaku SWAN X piano is an ideal unit for someone trying to compose music while still having the freedom to travel. Still haven't found a foldable digital piano keyboard that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Fverey folding keyboard. This folding piano keyboard is perfect for musicians on the go. The keyboard is full-sized and semi-weighted, providing a realistic piano-like playing experience. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, weighing just 8.8 pounds. One of the standout features of the Fverey keyboard is its range of tones and rhythms. With 128 types of tones, a range of rhythm patterns, as well as 20 built-in demo songs, there is plenty of variety for musicians to explore. The keyboard also includes sustain, vibrato, chords, recording, transpose, and metronome functions, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The Fverey keyboard has built-in high-quality dual speakers that provide a realistic piano sound. It can also be connected to headphones for a higher quality sound experience. In addition to these features, the Fverey keyboard has Bluetooth and MIDI support, allowing you to connect wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet with piano game apps or online music lessons. It also can be connected to your computer via the MIDI USB interface for editing music and playing piano games. Even better, the package includes a unique bag, music stand, score clip, pedal charger, and charging cable, as well as detailed instructions. The product is backed by a 30-day return policy and a 15-month after-sale service. All in all, the Fverey folding piano keyboard is compact and convenient digital piano that is great for musicians of all levels. Its pros are, it has a very compact design, it offers a wide range of tones and rhythm options, and it has built-in speakers that produce good quality sound. However, it has no built-in recording system, which can be annoying. The Fverey folding keyboard is great for students and music enthusiasts that are always on the go. The second product on this list is the KONIX PJ88C folding piano. This next device is a portable and convenient digital piano that is fantastic for musicians on the go. The keyboard is full-size and semi-weighted, providing a realistic piano-like playing experience. Its foldable design allows it to be easily stored and transported, and it comes with a portable travel tote bag for protection. One of the standout features of the folding keyboard is its Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity. This allows you to connect to your smartphone or tablet wirelessly with piano game apps or online music lessons. The folding keyboard also has an LCD display and a range of tones and rhythms, including 128 types of tones, 28 types of rhythm patterns, and 20 built-in demo songs. It also includes dual keyboards, split, teaching mode, dual voice, record, playback, chord metronome, and transpose functions, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Moreover, this folding keyboard has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery supporting USB charging, power bank charging, and battery-powered lithium operation. It has a 6 to 8 hour playtime per full charge, so you don't have to worry about running out of power during practice or performances. Overall, the folding piano keyboard is a portable and convenient digital piano that is great for musicians of all levels. Its Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity, range of tones and rhythms, and built-in battery make it a complete package for anyone looking for a portable and easy-to-use instrument. Its pros are, it has brilliant Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity, making it compatible with many apps and devices. It comes with a very wide array of modes to suit different needs, from beginners to experienced musicians. And it has a 6 to 8 hour playtime per full charge, so you can use it anywhere and at any time. However, its built-in speakers are not the best quality, so you will want to connect it to a standalone unit. The KONIX PJ88C folding piano is great for someone who is a music teacher. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top foldable digital piano keyboard is the Fingerdance Portable. Imagine being able to take your piano with you anywhere you go. That's exactly what this compact and portable digital piano offers, a versatile instrument that's perfect for musicians on the move. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, and it comes with a specially designed piano bag for added protection. The keyboard is full-size and touch-sensitive, with 88 keys that respond to the pressure of your playing, giving you a more expressive and nuanced experience. And for beginners, the lighted keys offer an extra visual aid to help you learn more quickly, with 2 teaching modes available. One of the standout features of this folding piano is its wireless connectivity. Built-in wireless support allows you to connect to your smartphone, tablet, or computer with piano teaching apps or online music lessons, bringing a whole new dimension to your learning experience. The folding piano also boasts a rich variety of tones, rhythms, and demos, with 128 tones, 28 rhythms, and 21 demos to choose from. You'll also find a range of useful functions such as record, playback, sustain, transpose, metronome, drum kit, dual voice, and teaching mode that will help you get the most out of your daily practice. The folding piano also has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that provides a playtime of 8 to 12 hours after a 4 to 5 hour charge. You can charge via a power bank, computer USB, or power strip. Overall, this folding piano is a compact and convenient digital piano that is great for musicians of all levels. With its wireless connectivity, range of tones and rhythms, and built-in battery, it's a complete package for anyone looking for a portable and easy-to-use instrument that can keep up with your active lifestyle. Its pros are, it has comprehensive wireless connectivity, allowing you to easily connect to apps, devices, and online tutorials. It offers a wide range of tones and rhythm patterns. It has long-lasting rechargeable battery, so you can play all day. And its keyboard is full-size and touch-sensitive, with 88 keys that respond to the pressure you're playing for a more realistic piano-like experience. However, some feature settings like volume revert to their factory level once it's been turned off and back on again, which can be annoying. The Fingerdance Portable is a brilliant full-sized 88-key folding piano that provides a wide range of tones and connectivity options that make it ideal for all levels of musicians. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.